Today, I got the chance to be in a room on Clubhouse about the law of attraction, and it was so like empowering and inspiring that I couldn't stop taking notes. And I was like, okay, I want to share my notes, my key takeaways with you, because I do believe it can really make a difference in your life. Self-talk and limiting belief. Let's start with self-talk. Do not fight your self-talk. Self-talk can be either positive or negative, right? If you do believe that you can do something, there is a strong chance that you can do it. But if you do believe that you can't do something, you are right. You can't do it. So either way, you are right. So now it's up to you to choose your right. You have the power to change your thought. Don't fight your negative self-talk, but change the focus. If I tell you to not think about a real flower unconsciously, the first thing that you will do is to think about a real flower. So self-talk are here, they are powerful. Now, it's not about you fighting, oh, I don't want to think about this real flower. I don't want to think about this real flower. Because the more you will fight it, the more you will think about it. But it's to change, to acknowledge your thought and to change the focus. So because I'm telling you to not think about a real flower, you could put your focus on a pink elephant. So now you are thinking about the pink elephant. You are not thinking about what you are not supposed to think about. You see what I mean? And this is, I found it very powerful because, when we want to fight our negative self-talk, it's hard. And the more we fight it, the more we amplify it. But if instead of fighting it, we decide to put our focus and our thought on something that is different. And that's the key here. If you truly believe there is no limit to what you can achieve, you will be able to achieve anything in life. You have the ability to be and do everything you feel in your heart. I repeat, you have the ability to be and to do everything you feel in your heart. Oftentimes, we don't follow our heart because we fear criticism. And if you decide to follow your heart, you will at some point face criticism. But it's very important to stay true to your heart. And because of this fear of facing criticism, for being who we truly are, we find excuses. And excuses is us giving a voice to our fears. When we give ourselves excuses, and usually it's really quite easy to find excuses to justify not doing something that would be so much aligned with who we are, so much aligned with our heart. But because we fear criticism, it's us giving a voice, giving a power to our fears. So you have two choices. Either you don't follow your heart and you don't believe that you are limitless and you will find yourself in a cage forever, or you decide to follow your heart and to be free, to be you, and to do what you want to do in your life, with your life. And the thing that we don't realize oftentimes, depending on our environment, depending on our community, the culture, and all of this. But you are limitless. And being limitless is having the freedom to choose the life you want to pursue. If you don't choose the life you want to pursue because you fear criticism, then you are not free. There are a couple of positive self affirmations that I want to encourage you to repeat after me and to say to you, like on a daily basis. You can tell yourself those positive self affirmation all day long, because repetition is what train your brain and your subconscious to believe in it. So the more you say it, the more your subconscious will believe it. There are no limits to what I can achieve. I am limitless to what I can accomplish. It's my destiny to accomplish great things. I have unlimited potential. Every action I take brings me closer to my dream. I am limitless. So repeat those self-positive affirmation as much as you can. Train your mindset, your subconscious to believe it. Something else that is very powerful is that we gotta stop searching outside of ourselves. Stop searching something better. Stop searching the answers outside of yourself because it's already here. You have it. It all starts from within. You have to believe in it first that there is unlimited money in the world. You have to believe first that there are no limits to what you can achieve. You have to believe first that you have the choice. So it all starts from within before we start looking for answers outside of ourselves. I'm gonna give you an example of the power of your belief. The example of the baby elephant and how you see those big elephants in a park, in a camp, where they have just one chain holding their foot, one of their feet. They could easily break those chains, but they don't do it. They don't try it. They don't even try to escape. Why? And this is where it's powerful. When you put a baby elephant in the camp, the baby elephant believes that he can't break the chain. But as the baby elephant grows, he still believes that he cannot break the chain. And because he believes it, he don't try to escape when actually he could easily break the chain once he's an adult. And here is the power of your belief. If you keep believing in something, it becomes your own reality when actually it's not true. It's not even true. It's not even close to the reality, but this is the reality that you have created in your head and that you believe in. So if you believe that you can be successful, this is the most important step to achieve success. It's not about your experience. It's not about the degrees. It's not about all the outside things. It's about what's happening here again. So you want to break yourself from your own limiting belief. And I will conclude with this sentence that is very powerful. Speak what you see until you see what you say. Speak what you seek until you see what you say. I will leave it here. If you would like more topics about the mindset, let me know. Let me know in the comment, and I will be happy to talk more often about it. Bye bye.